that? That's Mr. H practicing on his harp. Let's meet him, shall we?
Hello, Bob. What are you doing out on a hot day like this?
Hello, Mr. H. I came to invite you to my classroom. I hope I won't be taking you away from your harp practice.
Oh, of course not, Bob. I'm always happy to meet the kids.
Hop on then, Mr. H. Hello, kids. Look who's here.
Hello, Mr. H. How are you?
I am well, kids, and happy to be here.
We are happy to have you here, Mr. H. Could you share some things you like that start with the letter H?
Of course. I love to wear a hat. My pet is a hen. I have a big, big heart. Can you hear that? Let's see what else. Ah, yes! I play the harp. And I love, love hot dogs.
Sounds like we are all hungry, listening to the rumbling in our tummies.
Just thinking of hot dogs makes me hungry.
I agree. Shall we go through this once more for the kids, Mr. H?
Happy to, Bob. I love to wear a hat. My pet is a hen. I have a big, big heart. I play the harp. And I love, love hot dogs.
Thank you. That was great. Now, shall we help the kids to write the letter H?
I am ready.
Polly, do you need any help?
Yes, please, Bob.
Draw a standing line going down. Take your pencil a little away from where you started and draw another standing line going down. Like that. Yes. Then take your pencil to the middle of the first standing line and draw a short sleeping line joining it to the middle of the second standing line. Perfect! And that's the letter H. Good job, Polly.
Thank you, Bob. You helped too.
Do you want to try on your own this time, without my help?
Yes, I would like to, Bob. Draw a standing line going down. Take your pencil a little away from where you started and draw another standing line going down like this. Then take your pencil to the middle of the first standing line and draw a short sleeping line joining it to the middle of the second standing line like this.
Well done, Polly. I'm so happy to have met all you kids. Thank you again. Big hugs to all my honey bunnies. What a happy day it has been, Bob. All thanks to you.
You are welcome, Mr. H. I know you like music because you play the harp, so I have written a song. Would you like to hear it before you head back to your house?
How thrilling is that? Please sing, Bob.
Happy-go-lucky Mr. H, hi-ya, hi-ya, ho, has a big, big heart and is highly smart. Hi-ya, hi-ya, ho, with a ha-ha here and a hee-hee there. Here a ha, there a ha, everywhere a ha-ha. Happy-go-lucky Mr. H, hi-ya, hi-ya, ho. Happy-go-lucky Mr. H, hi-ya, hi-ya, ho, he wears his hat on his handsome head. Hi-ya, hi-ya, ho, with a ha-ha here and a hee-hee there. Here a ha, there a ha, everywhere a ha-ha. Happy-go-lucky Mr. H, hi-ya, hi-ya, ho. Always hungry Mr. H, hi-ya, hi-ya, ho, he loves a hot dog, a hike and a jog. Hi-ya, hi-ya, ho, with a ha-ha here and a hee-hee there. Here a ha, there a ha, everywhere a ha-ha. Happy-go-lucky Mr. H, hi-ya, hi-ya, ho. Happy-go-lucky Mr. H, hi-ya, hi-ya, ho.
was tabulous, Bob. I mean, fantabulous. Thank you, Bob.
I'm happy you liked it. Thank you, Mr. H, for meeting the kids. We'll be back soon with another letter of the alphabet and loads of fun.
Yes, we will. Bye-bye, friends. Stay hale and hearty and be happy.